Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa kai roti. First, combine 1 cup of quinoa flour with a pinch of salt in a mixing bowl. Gradually add about half a cup of warm water, mixing until a soft dough forms. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of oil to make the dough pliable and smooth. Knead for 5 minutes until it's consistent. This ensures your rotis will be soft and easy to roll. After mixing, knead the dough thoroughly for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture. Once kneaded, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Resting allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll and preventing cracks in your rotis. Now divide your rested dough into 8 equal portions, shaping each into a small, smooth ball. Lightly dust your rolling surface and rolling pin with a little quinoa flour to prevent sticking. Gently roll each ball into a thin, round roti, aiming for about 6 inches in diameter. Apply even pressure to ensure uniform thickness, which helps in even cooking. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium heat until it's hot but not smoking. Place a rolled roti onto the hot griddle. Cook for about 1 minute on the first side until small bubbles appear. Flip it and cook the second side for another minute, pressing gently with a cloth or spatula. This helps the roti puff up and cook evenly, achieving a beautiful golden brown color.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.